In this video, I will show you how to simply add your shipping address to your Made in China shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. Open up your Made in China shopping app. Just like so. Having opened up your Made in China shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the account right here. Click on my account, and then it's going to take you right here. So for you to add your shipping address, all you have to do is to get it done from this profile right here. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shenyun, Made in China, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or pay your supplier, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing we want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on the user right here. Go ahead and click on your user account, and it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply proceed to shipping address, add address book right here. So go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on add new address. So just like so, it's going to take you right here. First thing first, you need to check on your region. Your region has to do with the country you are taking the goods to. Go ahead and click on here. Once you click on here, then it's going to take you right here. Then from here, you can choose whichever country you are taking the products to. Just like so. These are available countries you can ship direct from Made in China. The more you scroll down, the more you see all different countries right here, just like so. All you have to do is to make sure you select your country right here. So I'm shipping the product from China to Nigeria. I will simply click on here to select Nigeria. Having selected Nigeria, then you can see a map indicator right here. You can use current location, which is the map, which is going to allow autofill of the address. However, you can as well use a manual fill up the address. For you to use manually address, click on enter address manually. Should in case if you are not trust the Google Map information. Once you click on enter the address manually, enter your zip code right, the street name right here, the block or street number of your address, the city you have, then the state province and the zip code. Make sure you fill up detail right here. Then scroll down right here, and then make sure you enter contact information right here, which is your name. And by default, your country code is going to be given right here. Next thing you want to do is enter your phone number. Make sure you enter a phone number you have access to. After setting everything, just go ahead and click on set default address. After filling up everything, go ahead and click on set as default shipping address. Just check on this. Once you check on that, simply click on submit address, and the address will be successfully added to your Made in China account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use Made in China shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.